Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a brand new Cargo King Nomad trailer. This one is 5 feet wide by 8 feet long, not counting the Vinos. Well, we put some extras on this one, so let's take a look. First, it's on a 3,500 pound axle. It is finished in the beautiful indigo blue color on the outside. We put 6 inches of extra height so you can walk in inside nicely. I'm going to point out down here on the back down low. Has drop jacks on both sides so you can walk in and out without it tipping up. This is a cross vent. We'll talk more about that inside. Big diamond plate up on front to stop the rocks from chipping your beautiful paint. It's got a nice man door on it. Nice big door so you can get in inside out. Plus, it's got the bar lock on it for more security. When you have a part, more LED lights. Another cross vent we'll talk about inside. This one is a ramp door. And I have the door down right now so we can go inside. I also want to point out more big LED lights. There's even one up high in the center. So let's go inside and take a look. First, I want to point out it's got an LED dome light. This is the inside of the door. And this is that cross vent we were talking about. So there's one up high and then there's that one down low back there. Being how we're in the Northwest, we get a lot of moisture. So this causes air to flow through your trailers 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, to keep your trailer from getting moist inside, or you got something in the fumes, it's going to get the fumes out of here. This one's also got 4 D-rings right here to tie down your quad, your bikes, or your cargo, whatever you're putting in here. Let's walk back out of it. Let me show how easy it is to close the ramp door. 2 fingers, it's assisted with a spring. Boom, it's closed. It's also got the bar locks on it here like that for more security. You can look at that jack. Like I said, there's one on both sides. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, I might add we can get this in different colors, different sizes, different options. You want double back doors. Some people don't want no back door, want a wall. We could do that. Any color. I mean, we're creative. We specialize in ordering for customers. We love doing it for you. If you have any questions, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. I might mention we're full service department, which is open on Saturdays, and a full parts department also open on Saturdays. Thanks for looking. Have a wonderful day.